Hi. I am a story maker. Today I will tell you the story of a clever thief. In this story there are two characters. First one is Thief Devin. He robbed rich and gave all money to the needy and poor. Second one is King. Other thieves were jealous of Devin. They planned to get rid of Devin. They challenged to steal the king's pajamas. Devin accepted the challenge. After that he prepared himself to carry out a plan. He went to the king's palace. He found the king sleeping. He opened a bottle of red ants on the bed. The king cried for help. The servants rushed in, but Devin removed the king's pajamas and escaped. Other thieves were dumbfounded. They accepted Devin their leader. Moral: be clever.